Welcome. This is a tutorial on eyelashes. So we're doing strip lashes as well as the 1 to 2 week semi-permanent lashes. This is a disclaimer. This isn't to replace your eyelash extension person when all this is over. This is kind of to get you over the hump. If you're new to extensions and you want to try it this way budget wise, great. It's an inexpensive way. If you've always wanted to try strip lashes and you've been afraid or they've always gotten messed up, this is a good little tutorial for you as well. And story time. I got my license in 2007. I assisted 3 stylists at a salon called The Gallery in Sassoon City. So I assisted them for 2 years, and in that time, on top of all the regular day-to-day stuff, shampoos, blow dries, cutting classes, all that stuff, I offered the temporary or semi-permanent eyelash extensions as a add-on to my services or to my stylist who I assisted. So I would have a little setup, and I think I charged like $35 or $45, and it was a lot of weekend stuff. So you'd have women that were going to a bachelorette party, or they're just going out for a fun weekend, or going to Mexico, or whatever it is. It's kind of like a spray tan. So you want something that's temporary. It's not, you're not overly committing, and it's relatively inexpensive. So I'd have the women, whether they were having a deep conditioner or at the end of their appointment or when their toner was on, have them lean back in their shampoo bowl and just put these lashes on, and they loved it. So it's funny because it takes you back to 13 years ago when I would do this as a fun add-on service. And I don't know why I don't do it now. I might bring it back, who knows? But I hope you guys learned something from this, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will put down all the products that I have in the description and where I found them. I will also, these aren't exactly all the lashes that I ordered, so I made do with what I had. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something, and I hope everyone is staying safe and sane. All right. One side done, so you can see what a difference that set can do. It totally opens up your eyes. It makes you look more alert, more awake. And these are the wispy black 113s. So if you look at this card and you were out at the store trying to find the right pair, you might get scared away from this, but they aren't as crazy on your face as they look on the card. It's something I tell clients all the time. So all I'm doing is I'm using my tweezers to get the lash off the card. Super easy. And then there's usually, because they have to adhere the lash to the card, there's usually some like clearish glue. So I'll just very gently take that off, going down. And these are nice because you can see it's a dramatic short to long. So it gives you a nice like cat eye. So these Invisband are also great because they're not stiff. I think a lot of people also have a hard time with strip lashes because they get the ones that are solid black, which after practice they're easier to apply. But when you're just getting it down, or if you want more of a natural look, these are spaced out really nicely so that you can see it looks more like a natural lash line. Kind of more like, I get asked all the time with like this set if I get eyelash extensions, and they're not. So less is more, like we were saying. So it's just a really thin bead of glue across the lash line. And if you have like a little, like I feel like there's a little bit too much over here, you can just dab it off. And then you want to give it about 15 seconds to get a little tacky. This is also another problem I feel like people have, is they don't take the time and be patient with it, and they just want to put it right on their eye. Well, the problem then becomes it's too wet. and so it doesn't want to stick. So you want to make sure that it gets a little bit tacky. I'm used to fanning it because doing makeup, you shouldn't be blowing on your client's lashes. But you know, if you're at home and you're trying to get it to dry, just blow on it a little bit, no big deal. And I'm gonna try to put these on through the camera. It's not gonna be easy. It's kind of difficult to do it with this screen, but so you tilt your head back. And what I like to do, so I'm going behind the lash and I just place it, okay? And then you take the outside and place. And you take the inside. And place. So you notice I'm not rushing. I'm not, you know, moving it around a whole lot. Nice and slow, right in the center of the eye, and then outside placement, inside placement. And then also, and you can feel it, like it's a little wet. See if I can place this a little bit more. It's pretty forgiving. So you can, I mean, take your time, practice. If I didn't have the liner, you could see it's like right on the lash line. So typically I don't put mascara on afterwards because I like to preserve my lashes as long as I can. But this is a really easy day-to-day look. You can take them off at night. They will get destroyed. This type will get destroyed if you get wet. So this is the strip lash look. Okay, so I have put on this side of the individuals. You can see the difference. And this could very well look like a strip lash, but this is the medium to short of the Doubleup individuals. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna zoom back out here a little bit. Okay. So what I was able to find at Target, they have a bunch of different kinds, but the only thing I was able to buy at Target because the shipping was so far behind through the Sally website is the Doubleup Ardell Knot Free. So they have knot and knot free. The knot is a little bit it's just not as natural looking. So I got the Doubleups, and this set comes with the short and the medium. You also can get, I ordered the dark, but again, Sally's shipping is taking forever. So in the packet, the other packet in that short little video in the beginning, it comes with clear adhesive, and it also comes with the remover, which is super important. So if you're going to get these, get the adhesive and the remover. And what I've done with this side is I did an entire row of medium, and the medium I did from the outer corner to about here, and the top row, or the short, I did from here, let me see, from here in with the short, just so it naturally got shorter, and I filled in a few spots on the outside, like just a little bit more density. But let me zoom in again so you can see. Yeah, this is it filled in. Now if you had the long, like if I had the long in the Doubleup, it would definitely be more like the strip lash that I had on. But you can see, sorry, my eyes are bloodshot. You can see what the difference is. So I'm going to do the other mirror. So I'm gonna try to make sure that I do it to where you guys can see. So similar kind of thing with the strip, you tilt your head back and you're placing them. This stays pretty tacky for a while, so don't think once you've set it there and it starts to twist or something that it's gonna be like that forever. So just be patient with it. And part of it part of this I'm gonna speed it up in the video. So let's get, I put the glue, I like to put it on a piece of foil or wax paper or something like that. Foil for me just because it's always there at the salon, but just something that's not gonna absorb. If you put it on a paper towel, it's gonna soak in. So something that's not gonna absorb. So I don't know if you can see it, I put it right there. The dark would be easier to see, but I don't have it. And I like to take the lash off with it facing this way. The set I bought came with tweezers, but I don't like how pointy they are. So you can see, come on, focus. Well, anyway, so you can see the lash. I'm holding it just like that. I'm going to dip it in the glue. It's got a little bead of glue on there. Again, tilt your head back, and you're just gonna place it right on the outside. Okay, so you take, again, you take this off the card, like so. You dip it into the glue. I have to add more glue. Okay, and then you tilt your head back and place the lash. You also want to make sure, I did this just for video purposes, but you want to make sure that your eyes are clean and dry with no makeup on them. I figure if I have to replace mine, if it comes off, no big deal. I'll just replace whatever ones go missing because it wasn't on the cleanest surface. So dip again, just a little tiny bead of glue. Tilt your head back. In place. So you can see it starting to build in fullness. So I'm just gonna keep going. This is gonna get sped up, and then once I get to about right here, we'll get into the short one. So I've done the mediums, and again, if I had the longs, I would have started with the longs, filled in with some mediums, gone to medium, and then gone to short. So now I'm going to start filling in with the short. I also went in on this side with some of the short ones just to like make it a little bit denser and thicker. So we are on to the short part of the card. And I only used like half of those on this side. So again, same method, dipping in the glue, just the very tip. You get your little bead of glue on there. I know it's hard to see because it's clear, but just a small bead. Again, you don't want to go too heavy-handed with your glue. And this I will double up on. Like, I like to put these on and then back it up with some mascara over the top to really, really make them pop. But you don't have to. But I'm guessing some of you with like lighter color lashes, you would want to do that anyways. So as I'm putting this on, I can notice that I want to fill in, there's like a little tiny gap right here. So I'll take another short and fill that in. So it's nice to kind of get your base in, and then you can go in and kind of fill in where you feel sparse, you know? Something doesn't get placed 100% correctly, you can always move it. So looking to see if I have any other spot that I kind of want to fill in. Order comes in with the long, like, I think I got a triple up one. Once that comes in, I can do, I'll show before and after on how those look. See, I'm just going in now, kind of just filling in any spot that I want. And there you go. Not too shabby for a do it at home. So these will last a week to 2 weeks. Similar kind of maintenance to what you get when you get your lashes done. So, you know, gentle when you're washing your face, up strokes. And these aren't so long where you have to like use a brush on them, but you know, just be gentle with them. Use an oil-free cleanser because the oil does break down the glue. And if a couple come out, you've got the card, just grab your glue, grab your tweezers, grab those little filler pieces and just fill them in. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys learned something. Target has them, Sally's has them. I'm sure there's a lot of other places you can order online. I also found them on Amazon, but shipping on that's been really crazy. If you have any questions, please ask. And yeah, any other suggestions of things you'd like to see on how to do, especially while all this stuff is going crazy, just let me know. All right guys, thanks. Have a great day.